Hey guys, we're filming a 65 Corvette today, barn find. She's a real rally red black leather car. Was sitting in a barn, believe it or not, for a long time. Not original owner, second owner, owned it since 73. A woman owned the car. It's a 327 250 horse, matching number, trans as well. Power steering, power brake car. Got a nice straight body. It had a big block hood on it when we got it. Changed the hood to a real 65 small block. Was hit in this rear corner and repaired. Other than that, pretty straight body. All bonding strips are intact. Okay. Interior is original leather. It's the original seats, original door panels. The gauges were changed, the tack and the speedo were changed to 63 gauges. Let me see, give it a crank, see if she starts. Turn. No smoke. Sounds pretty good, but I would rebuild it just to be sure. Lights do work. One headlight rolls, the other one's real slow. Nice little project. Somebody wants to take their time and do it right. It's nice that it's a real red car, not a repaint, and a real leather car. So give me a call. If you're interested, 908-507-5597. Again, this is Bill at Cross Flags Corvettes. Thanks, guys.